Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
My name is Tiwonge Banda from Stockbrokers Zambia Limited, and I'm pleased to present the weekly stock exchange news and market update for the week ended Friday, 28th March 2025. Luse Stock Market Index Performance. In the trading week ended 28th March 2025, the Luse All-Share Index closed at 15,976 points. On a year-to-date basis, the Luse Index is up 117.72% in kwacha terms and up 38.19% in USD terms. In comparison with other African stock markets, the South African JSE All-Share Index is up 1.41%, whilst the Nairobi All-Share Index is down 0.36%. Gainers and losers in the week ended 28th March 2025. On gainers, Airtel gained 16 kwacha 15 ngwe to close at 60 kwacha. BATZ gained 19 ngwe to close at 4 kwacha 10 ngwe. ZCCMIH gained 5 kwacha to close at 70 kwacha. Zamefa gained 99 ngwe to close at 6 kwacha. Zanaco gained 2 ngwe to close at 5 kwacha 53 ngwe. Zambia Sugar gained 1 kwacha 15 ngwe to close at 37 kwacha, and Zafico gained 14 ngwe to close at 3 kwacha 15 ngwe. CEC lost 44 ngwe to close at 13 kwacha 14 ngwe, and Standard Chartered lost 30 ngwe to close at 2 kwacha 20 ngwe. Turnover and market activity. Total trading turnover on the Luse in the week was 8,739,100 kwacha 98 ngwe, of which Shoprite contributed 36.6%, and the market recorded a total of 652 trades in the week under review.
Investors Diary. The Stock Market Investors Diary is brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia. On 21st February 1994, 30 years ago, the Lusaka Stock Exchange commenced operations with just 2 broking firms as its founding members. Stockbrokers Zambia was and is a founding member of the Lusaka Stock Exchange. Cautionary announcements.
The following companies have issued cautionary announcements: Madison Financial Services, CEC Africa, Standard Chartered Bank, Zambif, and Rees. For details of these cautionary announcements, please refer to the Stockbrokers Zambia Limited website at www.sbz.com.zm. Other market announcements. The following companies have issued market announcements that can be accessed on the Luse Stock Exchange News Service. Zambia Sugar has released an announcement on Project Twazabuka. Madison has a change of their company secretary. Puma will be having their AGM at Sarova Premier at 10 hours on the 31st of March 2025. BATZ will be having their AGM at Radisson Blue Hotel at 11 hours on the 31st of March, and Airtel will be having their AGM at Pamozi Hotel at 13:30 on the 31st of March. The full announcements can be accessed on the Stockbrokers website at www.sbz.com.zm. The following bids have been placed in the market should you wish to sell your shares. Airtel, 40,000 shares at 51 kwacha. Bata, 1,500,000 shares at 6 kwacha. Zambia Sugar, 10,000 shares at 37 kwacha. The following offers are currently for sale on the market should you wish to make a purchase. Zanaco, 3 million shares at 5 kwacha 53 ngwe. Zambif, 10 million shares at 1 kwacha 98 ngwe. And CEC, 100,000 shares at 13 kwacha 14 ngwe. Please email trading@sbz.com.zm for the full list of currently available offers and bids.
Understanding the stock market. A brief guidance brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
The week ended 28th March. Last week was a very busy week in the stock market in Zambia because several companies held their annual general meetings. This included the following: Zanaco on Thursday, 27th March, Standard Chartered Bank, Chilanga, and Copperbelt Energy Corporation on Friday, 28th March. Puma Energy and British American Tobacco Zambia are expected to hold their AGMs on 31st March. We urge shareholders to take a keen interest in the announced AGMs. Some companies will be proposing a final dividend as an agenda item at the AGM, whilst other companies may have declared and paid an interim dividend in the period ended 31st December 2024 and may opt not to propose a final dividend. Where a final dividend is proposed and approved by shareholders at the AGM, the following additional points need to be noted, namely dividend record date. This is the set date or cut-off date used to determine which shareholders qualify for the dividend. Therefore, if an investor wants to qualify for the dividend, then they should buy shares before the record date. Secondly, dividend payment date. This date comes after the record date, typically at least 14 days or 2 weeks after the record date. There you have it. Look up the dividend record date and dividend payment date and be sure to claim your dividend for the year ended 31st December 2024. Give us a call and find out how you too can take part in the growth of the Zambian economy via the Lusaka Stock Exchange by buying or selling shares or bonds. Have a successful investment week.
Investors should be cautioned that share prices may rise or fall and therefore should always seek professional advice before investing in shares.
Stock market news brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.